What would you say if you had to describe your tires? Black, round, and rubbery? You're certainly right, but you're missing some key information printed right on the side of the tire. How to read tire markings. On this tire, the tire width is 225. 225 in this sequence refers to the tire's width in millimeters. In other words, this tire is 225 millimeters from sidewall to sidewall. 65 on this tire is the width of the sidewall. The last number in the sequence is 17. 17 is the number of the diameter of the tire that you'll need. This is the number you'll refer to when you need to know your tire size. The 17 indicates the particular tire that would fit a 17-inch diameter rim. Now that you know how to read the numbers on the side of your tire more knowledgeably and accurately, instead of just saying round, rubbery, and black, check out our next video. We'll teach you how to check tread depth with just a penny.